1685 today. Color match tow mirrors, 4th gen for the Cummins here, and we're gonna put some brand new headlights on. Okay guys, if you don't know the difference between a 3rd gen and a 4th gen tow mirror, 3rd gen has a small concave or convex mirror here, and there's no signal or puddle light. The 4th gens here have a bigger convex mirror here, and they have the turn signal here and the puddle light. So that's the difference. Okay guys, we're gonna peel off the door. Phillips screw here, here, T40 Torx in the door handle here. See it right there. And then there's 1, 2 more Phillips. Okay, we got the door panel off. Now there's 3 10 mil, 1 there. 1 hidden in this foam here. There's another one, and then 1 here. Okay, once you get all the 3 bolts out, where the wiring harness is, that's for your heat and power movements and everything. The plug here, see that white tab? I'm gonna get a screwdriver, I gotta push that in and push the other side in to get the mirror out. All right, out with the old. And in with the new. Okay, so we got the mirrors in, fastened down, and I got the plug, the factory plug hooked in right here. So that's your power mirrors and your heated. And these are the lights for the puddle lights and for the signals. So I got a battery over here, I'll show you, and we'll just figure out which ones are which. So I got a battery here. I'm gonna touch it to the positive, and you see the signal lights come on. I'm flashing them a bit. So the blue is the signal, and we'll grab the white here. And that should be the puddle. And there we go, there's our puddle light. So blue signal and white is puddle light, and black with a white stripe is our ground. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this was a huge pain in the butt to get out, but I got it unhooked, and now I'm gonna run these wires through that hole right here and run them through here. And apparently there's a slot here in between the plugs, yeah, right here, that I can slip those wires through right there, and then I can run them into the truck. Okay, so I ran my wire along here, down through the hole here, and I ran my fish wire through the plug here, okay, into the door, and there it is there. And I'm just gonna hook it up to these wires here and pull it through. All right, this is what it should look like when you're done. The wires are coming between the 2 plugs. Now I just gotta fish them through that hole, hook up the connections, and then run it into the cab here. Make sure the wires, see your speaker wires are here, and there's like your window track thing here. You want to keep the wires on the left side. You don't want the wires coming around here, they're gonna get caught. So I can't really get the shot, but the wires are staying alongside, the wires that I put in are staying alongside this side and not on the other side of that window track thing there. Okay, so I just pulled the trim away here, and right where this like cable comes into the side, that's where I ran my fish wire through there and hooked onto it through there, and that's where I'm going to pull the wire through. Okay guys, we'll show you the shot when it's all done. That's what it should look like, all factory. I got the wires sitting here for now. At least I got them in the truck. I will run them all the way underneath here across. And I will extend the blue one to run it through the firewall, through the hole there. There's no hole here. And I didn't want to just run it up through here, through the fender or something silly like that. I wanted a nice clean look. So I'm going to run these across, and I'm going to extend that blue one to run it over to this side to hook up to the headlights. Signals. But guys, oh man, does it ever look great. Those are slick. I am loving that. Oh baby. Okay, we're on the other side here. Same thing as before. Undo the plug, 3 bolts. All right guys, same thing. Get the wire fish through here, and we're gonna pull her, run her in. All right, so I just popped out this trim piece here and then pop this off. And I got my fish wire ran through, hooked to the wires here. I'm gonna pull them through, and then the the white is for the dome, or for the puddle lights, and that's gonna be hooked to my dome lights. So I'm gonna pull the white wire from over here and from here up into my pillar, and that's where you tie into the dome light, and I'll show you. Okay, so I got my wires ran underneath here. Okay, I've got this side spliced to this side. I got the ground spliced, and now I've ran the white wire up, and we'll pop off the pillar here, and I'll show you which wire to tap into. All right, so it's the wire up here that is yellow with a blue tracer. Okay, there's a yellow one here with a light gray tracer. You want the yellow with the blue. So I'm gonna tap into that. Thought we'd finish off the video when it was dusk out so you can really see it. I'll have to get a shot when it's really dark. Yeah, it looks great guys, super easy. And I will hook up the signals in my headlight video. I'm going to put new headlights on, and we will do that in that video. So if you want to see how that's done, watch that video. Okay, so this works out really nice because I'm out in the country right now and it's pitch black, but here we go. There's the puddle lights. Like, they give quite a bit of light. I'm very happy with that in the pitch dark. That's nice. And then of course when you lock the door, since it's hooked to the domes, it fades out. Oh yeah. There, I just jerry-rigged the wire up so you guys could see the turn signal on. There you go. I hope that video helped you. If you want to install, getting shadow, install 4th gen tow mirrors and hook up puddle lights. And like I said, I will show you how to do the turn signals, but it'll be in my headlight video. Thanks again. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment.